नाजरीन, ये FIA पेपर है जो कि 24 जुलाई 2022 को मुनक्कद हुआ था। तो इसका बैच 1 है। ये बैच 1 है, बैच 1। और इसका पहला क्वेश्चन है, ही प्लीड फॉर सैनिटी इन डैश वर्ल्ड। 4 ऑप्शंस। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, इसमें करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी, lunatic. Option B is correct. Next question. Argosy means. Its answer is option B, a big trading ship. B is correct. Next question. Trepidation synonym. Its answer is option A, fair. Option A is correct. Next question. Synonym of hortatory. Its answer is option A, academic. Next question. JIT formed to investigate the crime. JIT is a. Its answer is option A, collective noun. Next question. The chairman is ill and we will have to dash the meeting for a few days. Its answer is option C, put off. Option C is correct. Next question. Who is creating the mess? Select the correct passive voice for this sentence. Its answer is option C is correct here. By whom is this mess being created? Next question. Antonym of quotidian. Quotidian. Its answer is option A, extraordinary. Next question. Saad often dash late at night. Its answer is option C, works. Option C is correct. Next question. Mr. Johnson is not at home today. Dash you to try calling him tomorrow. Its answer is option A, I suggest. Option A is correct here. Next question. He writes dash ink. Its answer is option A, in. Option A is correct here. Next question. I am dash sure of it as you are. Its answer is B, as. B is correct here. Next question. She is afraid dash spiders. Its answer is option C, of. She is afraid of spiders. C is correct here. Next question. Somebody burned the trash here. It can't be Sheena because she cares dash environment pretty much. Its answer is option C, about. C is correct here. Next question. A person who tends to see the worst aspect of things or believes that worst will happen. Its answer is option C, pessimist. Option C is correct here. Next question. The baby cries for food. This sentence can be defined as. Its answer is option option D. Its answer is simple sentence. Simple sentence here. Option D here. And there is no answer here. The correct option is option D. It's none of these. A simple sentence. Next question. A compound sentence must have. Its answer is option D. None of these. Next question. Emancipate means. Its answer is option C. Release. Option C is correct here. Next question. A dash simply makes a statement or expression. Its answer is option C. Declarative sentence. C is correct here. Next question. The ship is bound dash the United States. Its answer is option C. For. Option C is correct here. Next question. Which country is the southern neighbor of USA? Its answer is option D. And the correct answer is Mexico. Mexico. Next question. When the World Bicycle Day celebrated every year? Its answer is option A, June 3. Option A is correct here. Next question. When the World Braille Day is observed every year to raise awareness of the importance of Braille as means of communication for blind and partially sighted people. Its answer is option C, January 4. Option C is right answer. Next question. Glucose syrup is commonly made for. Its answer is option B, maize. Maize, corn यानी कि मकई. Next question. Systematic scientific study of tech known as. Its answer is option B, odontology. Next question. Purity of one of the following is measured by lactometer. Its answer is option C, milk. Correct option is C. Next question. Fibula is a bone in one of the following parts of human body. Its answer is option B, leg. B is correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is a major ingredients of leather? Its answer is option B, collagen. B is correct. Next question. Which of the following can be manufactured using wood? Its answer is B, paper. B is right answer. Next question. Which of the following is the slowest rotating planet? Its answer is option B, Venus. B is right answer. Next question. At the time of solar eclipse, rate of photosynthesis will be. Its answer is option B, decreases. B is right. Next question. The sound waves cannot travel through. Its answer is option C, vacuum. Next question. Most abundant element in the earth crust. Its answer is option C, oxygen. Next question. The most sensitive layer of eye is. Its answer is option D, retina. Next question. Deficiency of vitamin D in our body causes. Its answer is option B, rickets. B is right. Next question. Which metallic element is liquid at room temperature? Its answer is option D. D is right here. And next question. Frederick G. Bunting discovered one of the following vaccine. Its answer is option B, insulin. B is right. Next question. Bamboo belongs to question mark. Its answer is option C, अग्रास फैमिली. बाम्बू कहते हैं बांस के दरख्त को. बांस का दरख्त जो होता है वो बाम्बू इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं इसको. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. डैश कैन बी हेल्प बैट्स फ्लाई इन द डार्क. इट्स आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, अल्ट्रासोनिक वेव्स. बी इज़ राइट हेयर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. पाकिस्तान नेशनल काउंटर टेररिज्म अथॉरिटी was established on. Its answer is option B, 2009. B is right. Next question. Which is the northern end of Pakistani side of CPEC? Its answer is option C, Khunjrab Pass. C is right. Next question. On Turkey request, her national name at United Nations has been changed Turkey to. Its answer is option C. C is right answer. Next question. What is the article 370 of Indian Constitution? Its answer is option A. It gave the special status to Kashmir. Next question. Which country reported its first COVID case on 12 May 2022? And its answer is option A, North Korea. A is right here. Next question. Who is the current governor of Balochistan? Its answer is option D, Mir Jan Muhammad Khan Jamil. D is right. Next question. Who is the foreign minister of Spain visited September 2021? And its answer is Jose Manuel Alvarez. B is right. Next question. When did current president of United States of America took oath of the office? Its answer is option C, January 2021. C is right. Next question. Who is the current chancellor of Germany? Its answer is option B, Olaf Scholz. B is right. Next question. When the 47th G7 summit was held from 11 June to 13 2021? Its answer is option A, UK. Option A is correct. Next question. Which country hosted the ASEAN Summit 2020 via video conferencing? Its answer is option B, Vietnam. Option B is right here. Next question. Which country is supercomputers has become fastest in the world? Its answer is option B, Japan. Next question. Which Pakistani recently received a Raman Magsaysay Award dubbed as Asia's highest award equivalent to Nobel Prize? Its answer is option A, Muhammad Amjad Saqib. Option A is right. Next question. When did Russia launch a large-scale invasion of Ukraine, marking a major escalation of the ongoing Russian-Ukraine war? Its answer is option B, 24th February. B is right. Next question. What is the name of the first black woman judge confirmed US Supreme Court? And its answer is option C, Ketanji Brown Jackson. Option C is right. Next question. Recently, who acquired Twitter from 44 billion US dollar? Its answer is option A, Elon Musk. Option A is right here. Next question. Which country lifted 93 million people out of poverty since 2013 and had announced eradication of extreme poverty in its country? Its answer is option C, China. Next question. What is the name of the foreign minister of Italy who visited Pakistan in September 2021? Its answer is option C. Next question. When was the last meeting, not virtual, World Economic Forum was held? Its answer is option A, January 2024, 2020. Option A is right. Next question. Who is the current Sri Lanka president? Its answer is option A, Rajapaksa. Option A is right. Next question. World Health Organization announced COVID-19 as pandemic. Its answer is option B, March 2020. Option B is right. Next question. Which country will host the Commonwealth Games 2026? Which country will host the Commonwealth Games 2026? Its answer is option A, Australia. A is right. Next question. Who led the Afghan Taliban team during the peace negotiation with the United States at Doha? Its answer is option A, Abdul Hakim. Option A is right. Next question. How many medals did Pakistan win in Tokyo Para Olympic Games? Its answer is option B, 1. Option B is right. Next question. Which British Foreign Secretary visited Pakistan in September 2021? Okay, its answer is option C. Option C is right here. Dominic Raab. Option C is right. Next question. According to the Stockholm International Peace Research 2021 report, which country is the largest arms importer in the world? Its answer is option B, Saudi Arabia. B is right. Next question. Which country hosted OIC Foreign Minister 47th meeting in November 2021? Its answer is option B, Niger. B is right here. Next question, who is the General Secretary of United Nations? Its answer is option A, Antonio Guterres. Option A is right. Next question. What is the name of the project European Union announced in December 2021 to support infrastructure development around the world, apparently to counter China BRA Belt and Road Initiative? Its answer is option A, Global Gateway. Option A is right. Next question. अब मैथ के क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ इंटरवल इन inequality of 6/2 3x plus 10, and its answer is option C. C is right. Next question. Mr. A can do a particular work in 6 hours. Mr. B can do the same work in 12 hours. So how much time it will take if they do the work together? Its answer is option C, 4 hours. C is right. Next question. A sequence is called arithmetic if it has, its answer is common difference. Option B is right here. Next question. Arithmetic mean between x minus 3 and x plus 3 is, its answer is option C, x. Option C is right. Next question. Arithmetic mean between A and B. Arithmetic mean A and B, its answer is option A. Option A is right here. Next question. If minus 15 minus 22 minus 29, what is the 11th term? Its answer is option B, 85. B is right. Next question. Sum of 4 am between 18 and 3 is, its answer is option C, 42. C is right. Next question. What is the percent of 120 or 90? Its answer is option B, 0.5. B is right here. Next question. If x percent of y is 100 and y percent of z is 200, find the relationship between x and z. Its answer is option A. Option A is right here. Next question. The value of a computer depreciates 10% annually. If the percent value of computer is 1 lakh, then what will be its value after 2 years? Its answer is option C, 81,000. Option C is right. Next question. In a town, 45% of population read magazines. A, 55%, B, 40% read magazines, C, read 30% magazine A and read magazine 15%, magazine B and C read 25%, magazine A and C read 10%. Read all 3 magazines, what percentage sure does not read any magazine? Its answer is option C, 20%. Its answer is option C is right. Next question. The tank full of petrol in Harun's motorcycle lasts for 10 days. If he starts using 25% more every day, for how many days will the tank full of petrol last? Its answer is option C, 8 days. Option C is right. A ratio of equivalent to 3 and 7 is question mark. Its answer is option C, 9:21. Option C is right. Next question. If Amna is X is your old, then 5 times Amna's age 3 years ago is. Its answer is option B. Option B is right here. Option B. Next question. Evaluate the expression. Its answer is option C. 10. Option C is right. Next question. The federal investigation came into force on. Its answer is option B. 13 January 1975. Next question. The preamble of FIA Act provides the constitution of an agency for. Its answer is B. Next question. Which is the following is incorrect? Its answer is option C. FIA Act is applicable to all the employees. Next question. Federal Investigation Agency is constituted under section the FIA Act. Its answer is option C. Section 3. Option C is right. Next question. FIA does not contain any provision pertaining to. Its answer is option D. All of the above. Option D is right here. Next question. The term public servant denotes. Its answer is option C. Public servant as defined in section 21 of the Pakistan Penal Code 1860. Next question. The applicability of the FIA Act extends to. Its answer is option D. Option D. Next question. Pakistan Special Police Force established came into existence in. Its answer is option B. 1948. Next question. The Director General of Federal Investigation Agency is appointed by. Its answer is option C. Federal Government. Option C is right here. Next question. The Superintendents of Federal Investigation Agency vests on. Its answer is option D. Federal Governments. Next question. Section dash of FIA Act contains the powers of agency. Its answer is option B. 5. Section 5. And the next question. Next question. Power of arrest without warrant has been entrusted to dash under FIA Act. Its answer is option C. Sub Inspector. Option C is right. Next question. An arrest under the FIA can be made. Its answer is option C. Next question. The Director General of the agency exercise power like. Its answer is option C. Inspector General Police. C is right. Next question. A person arrested under FIA Act may be detained at. Its answer is option C. Both A and B. And the last question of this video is, when property under investigation is apprehended to be transferred, an order to restrain its transfer may be made by. Its answer is option B. मेंबर ऑफ एजेंसी. सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही. मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.